welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm getting ready for my convocation and I know I'm back on YouTube after like 100 million years, but that's for another video. Today is my convocation day. I graduated in BMM with an A grade. Love BMM. I did for 3 years in National College and it was the best thing ever. Like, I'm so glad I am a graduate because I never thought I would finish college. Fun fact, I actually dropped out of college, out of Jai Hind College, BA, like 3-4 years back, and I never thought that I would study, but then I did, and I did it with my best friend Kanika. You guys probably know her already. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready for my convocation and you guys are gonna watch this whole process. And without further ado, let's get into it. So because this is my day, I really want to make sure that my makeup lasts like all day, all night. I might go for an after party. I don't know what the scene is, but I know I'm going out tonight. Have to celebrate the end of graduation, so I need my makeup to last. That is why I'm using a nicer primer. It's really nice. Like, it hydrates my skin so much. Take like one drop like this. Next, I'm going to use a foundation that I have trusted for probably like 2 years now. I love it. It's the Clinique Beyond Perfecting and I am in the shade Honey, that is 11. I love this foundation so much, and I'm not exaggerating. This will last at least 12 hours. You don't have to touch up nothing. So I just have like too many freckles on my nose that I like covering, and this one's like a foundation plus concealer, which is why it covers it really well. And also I'm trying this really cute beauty blender that I got from Miniso. I think it's so cute. I'm trying this out for the first time. This has like a flat end over here and then this tiny one here which has this cute little face. Oh my god. Then I'm gonna get my favorite Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is my tried and tested and trusted concealer. I love this one. I tried Urban Decay like a long time back, but it did not work for me, and I want something clear that like really lasts. So I just want to wear this one. And then I'm going to use this small beauty blender and blend this. And then I'm going to take the Coty Airspun setting powder. This one I love. Believe me, this is not a travel friendly loose powder, but it does magic. I love it. And then whatever excess I have left on this little sponge, I will just put it here. And then obviously coming to the nicer part, the compact. This one is the Giordani Gold. What's it called? Sheer powder. It is in the shade Natural. This is my shade. This is perfect for me. This is the best compact I have ever used because I've tried a lot of them. None of them work for me like this one does. It is amazing. And I actually got a lighter one in this so that whenever I like set my under eye, I dab that in as well, which I will do later. I don't know if you guys have this habit, but like people, whenever they apply compact, they like do this, but that's the worst thing to do. Whenever you apply a compact, take a little product and then dab it. Never stretch it. And then I'm going to take the lighter shade and then just put this on my under eye just so that I don't look too cakey. Then I'm going to move on to contour, and I'm going to use my Primark PS Havana contour and highlight palette. This one's nice. I like the two highlight and contour shades here. I don't particularly use this and this, the blush and the bronzer, but then I love the contour in this specifically. I don't think you get this anymore, but if you know where to get this, please let me know. Oh, I got this from Miniso as well, this brush. It's a contour brush and I really like it. For blush, I'm going to use my trusted Maybelline Cheeky Glow, which got discontinued and I'm really sad about that, but then love it. It's pure perfect. I love this shade so much. I don't really mind going a little bit overboard with this. So for my eyes, I'm firstly going to set my eyes because I have put a little bit foundation over. I'm just going to set this so anything I put on top applies better. Now I think I know exactly what to do with my eyes, but I'm a little bit unsure because I'm trying this product for the first time. It is a liquid eyeshadow. I've never tried one. I'm very outdated right now, so forgive me for that. But I'm going to try this and it's going to be awesome. But before I do that, I do want to define my eyes a little bit. So I'm going to take this brown shade and just put it in the crease. I do want to make this a little bit darker because I think I might go out in the night. Also, it is a little dressy occasion. It is my convocation. I am graduating. I think I have all the rights to be dressy today. Okay, now that that is done, I will attempt on applying this liquid eyeshadow. It is by Swiss Beauty and it is in the shade Champagne 03. I'm already bad at this, guys. This by far is the easiest thing to apply on this planet. Oh my god. Oh, by the way, I got my eyebrows done yesterday and they were done so badly. I don't know if you can notice it, but like this one is thinner than this one, and that really sucks when that happens. I just randomly went to a place I don't trust and I was like, Didi, eyebrow kar do please, meko jaldi hai. And she did. It's my fault, I know it, but then why would you do that? I'm gonna try to blend the brown over here again. But see, it's blended so well. I will touch up here on the inner corner because I want that to be bright. But I love how this is blending. I think I'm bad at this. Okay, now comes the most dreadful part. It is filling in my eyebrows because I can't do that for I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow because my eyebrows are like really black. I'm so bad at this, guys. Then I'm gonna apply this Maybelline Colossal Kajal, trusted products only today. Then I'm gonna apply my liner. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal liner. I love it. It's really long lasting. It's thin and nice. I've done a review video of like the Oriflame versus Maybelline eyeliner because I think I use both their products so much. So you can go check that out. I don't think my wings are ever going to be even, but I've always said this, that nobody will ever know. Your wings are never going to be even, but nobody will ever know. So don't worry about them. Don't stress about them. Mine aren't even, and that's okay. Now, I don't think there's a lot left. I think I'm almost done, but I will never complete my makeup without highlighter. This one's the Orpo Vivid Bake. I trust this highlighter more than I trust myself in life sometimes. It is perfect. I love it. It's the best, and I will always choose to glow over anything. Today is my day, so I'm just gonna like put a lot of highlighter and glow to the gods, as they say. This is gonna be awesome. I also do want to take a smudger brush and just put it up here so that there can be a distinction between like the eyeshadow and the eyebrows. I know it looks a little bit odd right now. This will give so much more definition. And then just the last bit on my eyes, I'm going to take a flat brush like this one from Wet n Wild. I'm going to take black eyeshadow and just put it on my under eye and just a little bit on the outer corner. I don't want to go like all the way in, but then just a little bit here. And then the same highlighter and the same smudger brush on the under eye again because I just want this all to blend. And I also want to be a little more glitter. You know, sometimes when I'm a little too lazy to do my eyebrows, I just take like a spoolie brush, dip it in black eyeshadow, and I'll just comb through it, and that's it. Because my eyebrows are thick like naturally. Although this one is messed up, it just doesn't need too much filling in to do. So this is almost always good for me. Now I'm almost done. I just have like a couple of things left. I'm gonna mix two shades for my lipstick. These are the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I vouch for this with everything I have, even if that's not a phrase. I don't even know that, but I love these and I vouch for these because they will last literally 24 hours. I'm not exaggerating. They have lasted more than 24 hours for me. Don't judge me. I have worn makeup for 24 hours. I just come back after a party and die. But this lasts without any touch-ups, without anything, and I need my makeup to last today. So I'm gonna mix the shades Seeker and Ruler. Ruler is more my shade, but then I just want a little bit more darker today. You might want to put chapstick if you have really dry lips. I'm gonna mix this in with Ruler. Now I am really confident that this lipstick will last. I will not have to touch up. I literally, every time I wear this lipstick, I don't carry it in my bag because I know I don't have to touch up. Now the last thing left for my makeup is my mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel. I don't think you get this in India, but I wish we did. It's so nice. So my makeup is done and my hair is this jungly mess. It is a mane. I look like the Sasta version of Hagrid from Harry Potter, and I know it, which is why I always straighten my hair when I go out. I hate my natural hair and I also cut it short. So I'm going to straighten my hair and I'll be back, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to wear. And I'm back. Let the light fix. Okay guys, this is my final look. My hair is straight and nice, and when I put it back, it looks like sleek and all of that. Oh my god, too much makeup. Too much. It's too much. Fixed guys, fixed. Okay guys, so this is my final look and I personally love it. I think my makeup is a little bit too much, I do agree, but then I'm sure as the day progresses it will like simmer down a little bit. And also this is my convocation, so nobody can tell me anything. This is my day. Also I know I'm getting really late, but you guys have to see the detailing on this dress. I love the back so much. This is the best thing ever. Okay, anyways, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I have come back on YouTube after like 100 million years, so I really hope you guys like this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you want me to continue making videos for you guys, because I love making videos. If you guys want like a where have I been video, please comment below and let me know. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know if you guys have graduated, and if yes, then in what course. I did my BMM and I loved it so much. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.